Reading Pioneers is proud to present Dragon Breath Dennis, written and illustrated by Chetty D. Dennis woke up at the earliest hour. That's when he discovered his dragon breath power. I should brush my teeth, Dennis said to himself. His breath melted the candle on the bathroom shelf. Dennis knew his breath was hot like the sun. I have a superpower! This is going to be fun. It was at that moment he chose not to brush. He ran out of the bathroom in a bit of a rush. I'm keeping my hot breath, young Dennis said. I'll skip right to breakfast, and I'll eat some bread. With his hot breath, his bread turned into toast. His marshmallow cereal started to roast. His mom mixed some batter to make a pancake. Dennis said, "Good morning." It started to bake. Did you brush your teeth yet? His mom pinched her nose. Dennis covered his mouth and instantly froze. I didn't brush yet, was young Dennis's claim. I'll brush after breakfast, he said with a flame. His breath turned his chocolate milk into hot cocoa. The heat burned the table, and Dennis said, Uh-oh. You just burned my table, and I'm certain of how. March straight up those stairs and brush those teeth right now. But why? Dennis whined. I did not even eat. Dennis, please stop talking. I can't stand this heat. Now go brush those teeth. Brush every last one. I can't, Dennis cried. Then my powers are gone. You're wrong, Mother said. You must not know the rule. By brushing your teeth, you get breath that is cool. Dennis brushed his teeth for what seemed like an hour. That's when Dennis smiled. He had icy breath power. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Dragon Breath Dennis by Chetty D. I grew up like Dennis and thought my dragon breath was fun to use on others. But I learned the truth, that cool breath was better. To support Chetty D, you can find his book on Amazon, which is linked in the description box down below. You also can find out more about his incredible work on Facebook at Author Chetty D, which includes some amazing books for kids. If you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video and subscribe to stay updated with future read-alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is it for today. Please remember to visit either Amazon or Facebook to see more children's books I'm sure you'll enjoy. I've also made a playlist of other books by Chetty D on my YouTube channel, Reading Pioneers Academy, that I hope you check out as well. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!